Hindi ko na. Busy.
Ba't mga souvenirs na lang?
Malapit ba yung hatid,
1 PM yata?
Makahabol pa tayo, te. 5 o'clock na yung oras natin.
Habol siguro. Kaya mag-ano na kayo ngayon, mag-party.
Kasi po, pupunta sila dito maglinis at 10 o'clock.
Hindi na ako maglalaba mo rin.
Saka yung ano. Oh, hindi, kinuha lang niya yung ano. Okay, Dave. Log na.
Ay, grabe. Ang tataba nila. Dalawa sila, oh.
Ay, ayun
Ay, grabe.
Maganda din ko, alaman.
Andoon yung isa, oh. Ay, grabe. Ang tataba. Oh my world. Siguro. Oh gosh. Siguro talagang alaga na nila dito to. Itong dalawang to.
Hindi, talagang meron yung...
Oh, wow.
Yan din nga rin ko nagadusan ng kasta.
Oh, ang tataba nila. Hindi naman ganito kataba sa Minnesota. Ito, grabe, oh. Ang tataba nila.
Lagtundam
Oh.
alat.
Oh, hello there. Wow. You're so big. You're so healthy. Oh, hello there. Hi. Hi. How are you? Hey. Hey. Oh, both of you. So cute. Aw. They were just around here. They're so healthy. Goodness. Wow. Look at this. So today is July 2nd, 10:23, and we are going to, I think, Shipwreck. Ito talaga.
Detail siya magbigay ng instruction. So ito yung one half on, half off na city tour bus.
Yan, ang tinggot.
Kuhan natin. Pasyal.
Sundan ko na lang siya. Hindi naman matraffic dito, so I think it's okay.
Factory. Kaka! Oh, this one is the 30-minute parking. Alaska residents. This is the bridge. It's a trolley ride if you want the trolley ride. There's a restaurant there. And there you go. Oh, people are going for fishing here, salmon fishing. Oh, nice. But they have to wait for low tide. You can go salmon fishing here. Look at those seagulls.
Parang nakapunta lang tayong Alaska, iniwan natin ang balat natin.
Okay.
Lalo ka nang tatanda.
There's the bridge. Asan? Ay, ayun pala. Ulu Factory private parking. This is pretty.
From rock. The blades are made from slate, shale, and flint commonly since they were easy to chip into thin, really sharp pieces. And then the handles were predominantly made out of bone, antler, and ivory. Sometimes driftwood was used, but it was a lot less common. Our blades are made from 420 stainless steel, and then our handles are either made from American walnut. They actually have the same blade length. They are both 6 inches, but the handles for the mediums are much smaller and more compact, and then the handles for the larges are longer and wider. There are singles and then there are sets. Singles are just the blade and then the block that holds it upright, and sets have a bowl included. You do not need a bowl. It can be nice to have, but you do not need one to use in Ulu.
So mainly the Ulu knife is used for filleting salmon, or?
You can use it. That's the traditional uses, filleting salmon or fish in general, gutting, cleaning hides, that sort of thing. But nowadays it is a standard kitchen knife in a lot of more urban areas. I regularly use mine on meat, cheese, most vegetables and fruits. The only things I don't really use it on vegetable and fruit wise are larger melons like watermelon or cantaloupe. And then for vegetables, it's usually just things that I'm cooking whole.
They're just curious about like the Alaska and the origin of it.
Traditionally, Ulus were used by almost every single clan in all of Alaska or tribe in Alaska. The word Ulu actually directly translates in Inuit to either woman's tool or woman's knife. In a lot of Alaskan Native traditions and cultures, the women weren't just people who did cooking or cleaning. They were people that took care of each other and their communities. Because of that, they were usually the ones in charge of portioning the food. Instead of one person and one family going in, catching something, and only that family eating it, the entire community will share food with each other. The women traditionally would portion it, clean it, and give it out to everyone, and they were in charge of making sure everyone was fed and healthy and taken care of. Ulus are commonly used for their traditional purposes to this day in more rural villages, communities. In more urban areas like Anchorage, they are used as a knife, but if you go out to villages like Utqiagvik, Nome, those places, they will still be used for their original purposes for cleaning, filleting, gutting, and trimming, and making food edible, and making hides usable.
Thank you so much for that.
Can it
Thank
be
you.
used for fish bones or how
It's
about
frequent.
or even for like small chicken bones? Can you use it?
Yes.
Okay. So how do you sharpen it?
You can use a couple different tools to sharpen it. If you know how, you can use a honing rod or a whetstone at about 20 to 22 degrees just on the one side with that bevel. Since it's a curved blade, we don't recommend just going straight down. We recommend curving it as you sharpen it. And we also recommend just to leave the backside be unless you're just making sure the burr from sharpening it is gone. Other than that, though, they are kind of just a standard knife. You sharpen it usually how you would other knives. We do sell Ulu-specific knife sharpener tools if you don't know how to use them or you can't, but they are optional. You can just use a honing rod or whetstone.
Will it get rusty or
It will not get really rusty unless you leave it soaking in water. We recommend that you don't put it in the dishwasher because of a wooden handle. But we also recommend not putting it in the dishwasher because it is stainless steel. It's going to hold up to a lot of things, but it can still rust if you leave it wet. If you take care of it properly, like you should with most standard knives, then it won't rust or grow those weird rust rings where you have something just light water sitting on it.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. Look at that. Those are the old style. Oh, this is the one that we use for mixing our salad. Ito pala yung original. Yeah, you had to like mixing them both together. Yeah. Ulu, large Ulu Factory. Oh, this is the one. Oh. Oh. Gotcha. Moose antler. That's caribou. Oh, wow. Now we arrive here. Anchorage Weekend Downtown Market. We park over here. You have to pay at Easy Park. Anchorage Weekend. Oh, ito yung sinasabi niya. Ah.
Okay, thank you. Saan tayo? Alam mo ha? Oo. Okay.
Ay,
Okay, sino next? Ikaw next. Okay.
video. Ano na ba yan?